old school intro. Woo! Happy Friday! Previously on Kimba TV. But it'll be interesting to see if the 4-hour bull div is going to hold on the double bot. I would say that my bullishness for end of the week options tomorrow is half the confidence. You know, and so whether you're in a short or whether you want to get into a long, nothing wrong with that. So if it's a sweep right there, I'll be ready, right? If it wants to go down here, I'll be ready. Yeah, I don't know about a short because we were talking about it. Options are bullish today. If you did get into a short, I would assume you are stopped out in profit. So first off, this is golden pocket. So that would have already been your TP. If you took this short for a sweep, because we were talking about a sweep, you would already be stopped out in profit. Your first TP was already there. It front ran the POC again. So this was the line we were watching at for a bank. So not only was that your first TP, you would already be stopped out. Any short, you would already be stopped out. And then obviously option flow was extremely bullish. And then we're above the GEX flip, so you know what that means. 4130 is the biggest gamma, so watching that is pretty going to be interesting. But there's also gamma exposure building up for 4150 as well. Tico says, do we see 30K today in your opinion? It's possible, Tico. Yeah, it's definitely possible. I mean, if you just, like, this is what we were looking at yesterday, right? So if you do basic 5th grade TA, the target for something like this, look how pixel perfect that is. So I don't know. It's 30,000. Yeah, it could be possible. It depends, I guess, if we break 4130. All right. I'm a big level to level guy. So if this POC is gonna get gone, swiggity, swaggity, swaggity, swiggity, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna get nasty here. You Sandro says clear enough. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I'm not in a position, but I'll tell you what. If you saw the sweep happen, right? Because what do we do when the sweep happens, ladies and gentlemen? Sweep doesn't lose golden pocket. If you got in right there, you're a fucking genius. Or you've got a heart of a lion right there, my guy. So I'm jealous, if anything. All right, I'm rooting for you guys. I'm rooting for you guys. Hey, we haven't even hit this thing. Wait until this thing breaks. You know, this could still do this and go back down here. But if the bulls on S&P are able to break this trend line, can you imagine what Bitcoin would do? Happy Friday, by the way. I'll tell you what, man. If we break 30,000, I'm going to give away $1,000. Okay? If we break 30,000 and we break 300 subs, I'm going to give away $2,000. And if we break $30,000 and we also break 350 subs, I'll give away $3,000. That's why we're all getting impatient talking about PP shit. Binance is listing it in an hour. Okay. So CZ's gonna dump it. Just kidding. I have no idea. Not financial advice. I'm rooting for you guys. So what's been going on with this exactly? How many of you degens got in like right here? Is this 382? Oh, it was 05. So let's just say, oh my Lord. Oh my God. Okay, well, I mean, Magic says, Kimba, do you have targets? No, I mean, I think it kind of depends. Well, so today's Friday, obviously, Magic. So it depends, one, on if you want to get into a position that you can hold over the weekend or you're going to be scalping, right? So you got to kind of break down how you anticipate your trade moving forward as we move into the weekend. So right there in and of itself, I think that's going to contain you to maybe certain types of time frame divs or edges. So I'm not, if I was, I'm not in any trade right now, but if I was to be in a trade, I would be in a long. Because yesterday we were talking about the 4-hour bull div. Ooh, 4-hour, and then the option flow was really, really bullish on S&P. So S&P has the biggest gamma right there and right here. Gex flip, as you know, when we're above Gex flip, I am bullish. It had some sort of like a bullish pattern, still bounced off of gamma. So I'm a big level to level guy. So we did a recap already, so the original is a little bit better. But the best trade, if I could be in a trade, I would, that would be the next one, the sweep of that. And we were just talking about how after you saw the sweep, you could have gone like this. Kimba box, stop loss. You would have gotten a little bit filled. I should have gotten a little bit filled. But I was doing work stuff right here, so did not take it. And then ever since the morning, we were talking about, the short is probably risky until you see the reaction at 41.30. So today, if you really just wanted to get like a cliff notes of how I approached today, it's the weekly options expirations after FOMC. And so whatever S&P is going to do or traditional markets, most likely Bitcoin is going to follow that. And you definitely would, want confluence in the, position that you were going to be in. So 4-hour bull div, bullish options, and you got to have a sweep down there on Bitcoin. So, alrighty, so that's where we're at. So do I have targets? No, not really. It's Friday, so I'm kind of enjoying more about whether if 41.30 is going to break or if 41.50 could get approached. Because this gamma has been building. So I'm just watching this shit on the other side of the screen. Watching the thangs come in. Yeah, and so what everybody should be doing is, what is 41.30 to you on Bitcoin or Pepe or ETH or whatever? And then what is 41.50 for the coin that you're trading? And then after that, we're just watching this. What if it breaks 41.50? Well, I don't know. I don't know, Bobby. I guess 41.60, 41.75 could be like really, really tiny gammas or some shit like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, exclamation play. I'm starting the countdown right now. Let's do 5 quick games. Can I give away $1,000? Please don't make this difficult. I feel like it shouldn't really be that hard for me to give away money. Hurry up and sub up so you can get the money. Otherwise, I'm going to just gift you a sub. Lux A62 going through. Dax coming through. Dax coming through. Oh, RG just stole it from your ass. Oh, the rich get richer. Oh, shit. Oh, RG Bargy. Give it to Dax? If that's okay. Dax, you better give me your UID before him or I change my mind. Change our minds. Go, Dax, go. Go, Dax, go. Domingo, Daniel, Tripward, Gordito. Here we go. Coming through. Dink. Dink. Oh, none of you guys went through the thing. Farazzo. Is anybody going to go through the thing? Can somebody go through the thing? Swinitu. All right, exclamation play. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys are fucking amazing. You know that? I'm going to keep this thing going. Who's going to be here all night? I'm trying to get into a position with you guys, but I can't until we get to at least 30,000. What's with this liquidation cluster, man? So I'm going to go work out, and hopefully by the time I come back, we're at a place where we can get into a position. And if we break 30,000 tonight while I have the stream on, I'll give away another $2,000. So, Pseudo Mega Chaos. Oh my God, look how close. Oh, you both got liquidated. Oh, Chaos. I thought you were going to. Oh. If you get lasered right here, I am going to laugh. Here we go. Is he going to. You got lasered. Oh, shit. All right, Mr. Nukon, congratulations. But I'm still waiting for third. Well, as long I want to see if 29.4. You know what would be funny is like a sweep of this liquidity, like pink. Coming down here would actually kind of suck. So maybe like a mid-channel type of shit. I don't know. But I'm not in anything. Are you guys in a short? How many of you insane, hyper aggressive lions are in the short right here? Crispy says, let's fucking go. Crispy is back from a long ass day. Crispy, I'm about to bow out, but I'm taking a little shot, Crispy. Taking a little shot. I already am in a little shot. Any questions, Crispy? You good? Astro says, let's go. Crispy says, hell yeah, I like to see it. All right. I'll show you mine if you show me yours. It's a late night thingity thing anyways. Crispy. Look, get caught up and look at some charts. Nice here. Crispy, are you looking at the screen? Bulldog says I closed out short and profited, open long at 29382. I see you guys. Crispy. Let's go do the 2-factor. There, here you go, Crispy. And then I'm gonna just put it behind the 886. But for the most part, obviously, you know me, like, you know, if we lose this, right, I think there's a pretty clear invalidation because it's like the only other thing that could happen is like it's a sweep. And it has to recover. If it I'm a big point of control guy. So if we lose 29.4 POC, then this is like my next level. You know, it's always level to level, right? And look at this. And like if you do like 5th grade TA and you go like this, and you go like this, you're talking about sweeping that. So like, you know, you could have this sweep this bad boy, but it would have to come back right away. And I think there's pretty clear invalidations on whether that's going to be a sweep or not. If it does drop, then you've got areas like here where it's like golden pocket, but you know, and it could bounce from there. But at the end of the day, I'm probably not going to try to trade that. I would be more interested in something like sweeping that. Sweep. You know, and then of course, you know, ding, 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 ding. So I think you've got a couple areas where you could expect, you know, and just try to take a shot at it, something like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is the weekend, so stay safe. Use what has worked for you. All right. Saddest part of the day. You guys get out of here, too. Make sure you guys enjoy yourselves. And I might be on tomorrow, even if it's for a little bit. I got to try to get the laptop streaming situated. So either way, ladies and gentlemen, volatility incoming in about 3 minutes. Master Dog, Cyber Monkey, Krispy Kreme. Magic in the house. Source Tantra, Shararara. Alocen, CryptoHawk, NFT, F-Roy, Gaita, go to the Discord, everybody, go to the Discord. Astro, Gaita, Malha, Rem, Chaos, Cage, CryptoHawk, Bullets for Blunts. 16 minutes on the hourly candle. You got a SWIP and a SWEP candidate right here. So you want to go like this. I think a bunch of you guys already have this figured out. So if you're confused on, you know, where my entries would end, you know, what my invalidation would be, you got this trend, you've got the 0.5, and you also have that, and you also have this. Alrighty, so you can always go to Discord, and you probably got brothers that could help you out. All right. If I don't get stopped out, we're doing more big giveaways tomorrow too, I guess. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm triggering the volatility. Here we go. Stay safe. All right, stop loss is always in play, ladies and gentlemen. Longs or shorts, you know what it is. I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. I'll probably be on a little bit for tomorrow, but have a great night. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys soon. Stay safe. And as always, we are ending the stream Sato style. Have a great day.
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimber is my name, trading is my game. Bitcoin is my focus, charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate, golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind.